12-year-old computer case. The next, this is way older than you, old guy. I just cleaned it and realized with an air compressor that I broke a blade off. All the other fans are wobbly. The hardware's good, so we bought a new case. We bought a Corsair 400C, and we're gonna put it together. Like I said, everything else is good. The problem with this case is it doesn't hold a 2.5mm solid state drive very well. It's got two big dusty fans in the front, two dusty fans in the back, double fan on the radiator, which I'm told I really didn't need to do. So got a new case that's smaller. It's gonna work better. This is the new case, a Corsair 400C. It's got a opening case. It's got a filter that literally comes off the top. So not bad. Here we go. So it's done. Looks like I got all the fans facing the right direction. My radiator's a little dirty from the fan being on there, but got a Corsair water block, a GTX 1060, cable management the best I can. The hard drive's actually on the other side, which is neat. It's like in this case, but facing the other way. So love it. Oh, oops. Ooh. Okay. Stick. Look at that. Dang it, I was gonna rip it off. Love you. Oh, staticky now. Yay, buttons. Okay, thank you for the help. Love you.